What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. How's everyone doing? Thank you so much for coming back for yet another week. Here in the winter it's a little bit slower, so I'm just trying to do weekly videos, so hopefully that's good enough for you guys. And I really sincerely want to say thank you so much, and we're at 491, so 9 more away, guys, and we can do the 500 subscriber giveaway. I cannot wait. It's going to be so awesome. Someone's going to get a very good Edge Pro, and hopefully it can change their business in 2019, so I'm really stoked about that. So yes, let's talk about this Toro CCR 2000. It's a older 2-stroke Toro, and it's a 4.5 horsepower, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, my name is Caleb here with Caleb's Property Maintenance, and thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a video. So alright, let's check out this Toro CCR 2000. It's a power curve, 4.5 horsepower engine. It is the 2-stroke version, so mixed gas is what she takes, and I actually prefer that because then you don't have to change oil. It's just one less maintenance thing you have to do. And if you have seen any of my videos, you can probably tell by now that I'm a stickler when it comes to maintenance. I always just like my equipment to be running the most efficiently that it possibly can. And there's a good saying, and I really like it, and that is, love your equipment and it'll love you back. And I truly believe that. So this power curve, I had the privilege of picking this up for free, actually. It's a long story. I don't know if I should get into it right now. I'll save that for the end of the video, so make sure you keep on watching. So back to the CCR 2000. I really enjoy the snowblower. Like I said, it's 2-stroke. There's 2 problems that I do not like about this blower. Number one is it's so complicated to change these paddles because of the way that they are designed and the way that they're bent. It makes it really hard. And number 2, being that when it sits over the summer, quote unquote, off-season winter, when it sits over the summer, it does not like to start up when it rolls around to winter again. And so what we do, and we found this works really well, is you take out the spark plug and you spray a little choking carb cleaner in there, and it fires right on up, and then you're good to go. The only negative is you have to take off this back plate back here on the back side with 3 bolts, and it's not fun because the starter rope is connected to it, so it sort of gets caught in the way. But anyway, other than that, I really love it. Little side note, the CCR, it's funny, that's actually my initials. So I was just not born in the year 2000, that's the only thing. Other than that, it would be like totally my snowblower. But anyway, so to the story. Some friends of ours that we're real good friends with, my dad is especially, they used to live a couple houses down on the other side of the street. So we really became friends. I mean, they came to a lot of my birthday parties, 4, 5, 6, 7 years old. So that was really awesome. But when they moved from this house across the street, we helped them move, of course, to their new house, and they said, as a thank you for helping us move, we'd like to give you this snowblower. And so, because before that, my parents did not own a snowblower, so this would have been like the first snowblower my parents had. So they were like, yeah, sweet. And actually, let me back up a second. When they did live across the street, my dad would always come over and use their snowblower, which was this one, to do their driveway and just help them out. Well, so anyway, we're really thankful for them. I'm not going to name him. He might be watching the video, so shout out to him. But yep, so thank you very much. And yeah, this snowblower's come in handy. We've had to change the paddles 5, 6 times, and we changed the scraper bar once. And she's, other than that, change the spark plug once a year, maybe every other year, depending on how little we use. And use it, and that's about it. She just keeps on running, and whatever engine is in here, the 2-stroke engine that is in here just does not die. I've talked to my dealer about it, and they said, yep, that engine that's in there will run forever. So it's awesome in a way. The frame will probably rust out before the engine quits, so that's funny. But other than that, yeah, I absolutely love this blower. I'll show you guys how to turn the chute. It's a little bit old school. So all it is this turn crank here, like the old school. She just rotates right around. It's not the fastest way to do it, but it definitely gets the job done. And I think it's probably a little bit more sturdier compared to the new Toros with the slide handle on the side. It's probably much more reliable. But other than that, and the only thing, we have not changed the belt on this. That's something that we might need to think about doing. It may perk up the power a little bit. Of course, we're running Red Armor oil in this as well, and so it's brought the engine back up to where it should be. So no complaints about that. Yeah, guys, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below if you have an older Toro, or let me know what single stage snowblower you guys are running. I'd love to hear it, and we can chat it up in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Oh man, guys, what am I going to talk about? I know I've been trying to do weekly videos about equipment. Man, what am I going to talk about in this week's video? I mean, there's so many things I could talk about, but I don't know. I really don't know what I'm gonna say. Like, I could talk about the 22-inch mower. I could talk about a snow shovel. I could talk about a snow blower. I could talk about a chipper. Man, what am I going to talk about? I can't think. I see the loppers over there. Nah, no one wants to hear about a lopper, come on. I see a 15-foot ladder. Nah, they don't want to hear about that. Oh man, what am I going to talk about? Toolbox? No. Preen? No, they already know about that. Handheld blower? No spill gas can? I don't know. Oh, wait a second. I got it. Let's talk about this Toro CCR 2000.